What happens when a global superpower publishes a map? And that map redraws one of the world's most sensitive borders. This is not just geography. This is history, this is politics, pride, and a brewing diplomatic showdown. Welcome to Times XP. It's me, Dhriti Atre, and let's talk about the moment that started the controversy. Can you picture this for a moment? The US announced a major trade development with India. Everything seems routine until suddenly all eyes landed on one detail: a map. Not just any map, by the way, the map that shows the entire region of Jammu and Kashmir as part of India, including areas like Pakistan administrated Kashmir and Aksai which is claimed by China, by the way. And that single visual set off alarms across the border. Then the Muslim nation, Pakistan, reacted. Pakistan immediately steps forward with strong objections. Officials there say that the map is illegal and does not match international understanding of disputed territory. Here, Pakistan argues that global institutions, specifically the United Nations, treat the region as unresolved and contested, meaning that its final status is still debated internationally. And within hours, diplomatic communication begins, urgent messages move between capitals, pressure starts building. And you know what happens next? Well, according to official briefing, Pakistan contacted American authorities demanding corrections. Soon after that, the controversial map quietly disappears from official US platform. No dramatic press conference, no lengthy explanation, just removal. But sometimes removing a map can create as much as global attention as publishing one, right? But you know why this map matters so much? Well, to understand this, you need to go back decades. The Kashmir region has been one of the most sensitive territorial disputes in the world. India says that the entire region legally belongs to it. Pakistan, of course, they claim it's ours. China has territorial claims over there also. That means three nuclear-armed nations have overlapping interests in the same mountainous territory. And any international representation, even a graphic, it carries huge political meaning. Then the trade deal connection here. Here's why the story becomes even more dramatic. Well, the map was released alongside a growing economic partnership between India and the United States. Many observers began asking questions. Was this simply a technical mistake, or was it a political signal showing stronger alignment between Washington and New Delhi? Or was it just an accidental use of a widely available digital map? Though there is no official answer that has completely settled the debate, but there are diplomatic ripple effects. Even after the map was removed, the impact did not disappear. Instead, it triggered wider conversation about changing global alliances, about South Asian territorial tension, and about how international organizations define borders.